Alright, one of the most important things that you can take care of on a vehicle is the tires. If you want your tires to last, rotate them every 6,000 miles and make sure you keep them properly inflated. Keep in mind that during the winter, your air pressure will tend to drop. In the summertime, it will tend to increase a little bit, and that is due to those cold and hot conditions. The cold will cause them to decrease. The heat of the pavement, the heat that builds up in the tire, will cause it to increase a little bit. So one of the most important things that you can have on hand is an air compressor. Some of you may say, I don't have room for a big compressor, I don't have a garage, I don't have a shed. That's okay. You can go and get yourself one of these small compressors that will do the job. You know it. I don't know how many times I've gone to a service station or something to get gas, and I notice a low tire, and the tire, the air compressor, the end that you put on the valve stem is broken, or you're having to drag that hose around and it's trying to retract on you. Go and get yourself one of these. I got this one from Walmart, Bonaire. Maybe 20-25 bucks. It pays for itself. Has a gauge right on it, glow-in-the-dark gauge, let you know where your tires are sitting. I apologize for the shakiness and it's a little blurry, but it's a glow-in-the-dark, so if it's later in the evening it will start to glow so you can see a little bit better. So I run a TPM system, a digital layout on my car. I don't know if you can see. Lighting is really bad. Got 29 pounds in my left front, so I need to put some air in this tire. So one of the great things about this system, and I have a video on it under my car maintenance videos in my playlist. A lot of cars have TPM systems, and thing about that is a lot of times it will only let you know when the tire is low. And with a system like this, I wish I could get better lighting. With a system like this, it gives you a constant readout of your tire pressure, and it lets you know exactly what you have at any given time. So if a tire is low, like this left front of mine, I know that I need to put air in that thing. So all the rest are good. So we're going to put some air in this left front. But, so the TPMs that come in most, installed in a lot of cars, they're about $80 a piece, okay? So to replace one wheel tire pressure monitor, you're looking at about 80 bucks for one of them if it starts to go bad or malfunction. With this type of system, you have a rechargeable unit, put it on your dash, and each individual wheel has its own sensor. So that's a sensor with a battery, and it corresponds to this location, whichever location it is. In this case, it's the left front, and it'll let you know exactly how much air is in that tire. So we're going to add some air to this tire. Monitor is beeping, letting me know no pressure. Same thing will happen if it begins to leak down really fast. It'll start to beep like that and let me know, hey, you've got a tire going down. And that's another thing I like about these systems. You can get them, these tire pressure monitoring systems, online for about 80 or 90 bucks. They really pay for themselves. I've had this one for about 2 years now. Really enjoy it. And that should be good. So let's put our little cap back on. And let's get our readout. And it now says 33 pounds, so we're good. Generally, most cars today, you're going to run about 32 pounds. In the wintertime, I will run 35 because, as I mentioned earlier, with the cold temperatures, you tend to drop air. So I tend to run just a few more pounds in the wintertime. Summer, 32, 33 is fine because they will increase as you're traveling due to the heat of the pavement, the heat that builds up in the tires. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go out and get yourself a little compressor. It will definitely pay for itself and save you from having to deal with those crappy compressors and things at service stations. So go get yourself a little one. It definitely pay for itself if you don't have room to get a large compressor. It's compact. You don't have to deal with a bunch of hoses, things of that sort. So go and get yourself one. If you like this video, click on the bell to the right to be notified of all my future videos, as well as when I go to a live stream answering all your questions on car maintenance, car repair. Thank you guys for watching. And for other car repair videos, go check out Thor Seth. He does a lot of car maintenance videos as well. If you have any questions, you can ask me or him, and we can help you out along the lines of car maintenance, car repair. So you guys have a good day. Thank you for watching.